Tom, you won't believe what happened in the forest last night.
What happened, Eric?
I was hiking and got lost.
That's scary. Did you find your way out?
Eventually, but something weird happened.
What do you mean?
I found an old abandoned campsite.
That's creepy. Was anyone there?
No, but there were fresh footprints around the campfire.
That's so freaky. What did you do?
I decided to leave, but I kept hearing footsteps behind me.
Were you being followed?
I don't know. Every time I looked back, there was no one there.
That's terrifying. Did you make it out okay?
Yes, but when I got home, I found a note in my backpack.
What did it say?
You can't leave the forest.
OMG, Eric.
And now I hear footsteps outside my window.
That's so creepy. What are you going to do?
I don't know. I'm scared to look outside.
Stay inside and lock the doors.
Too late. The door just opened by itself.